Hello everybody, here we are back again. The last time when we were live, I just got an important call and then I got busy in that. But right now here we are back again. The main goal is to just get this brainly backend done, rebuilding thing done today itself, so that next time onwards we can just go through something else or the other. And that thing of course would require time, and that's what we are here for. And let's simply go ahead. I hope I'm audible right now. Let me check this thing. Yeah, I'm audible. So we created this async handler. Apart from this thing, we need to create an API error. Let's simply create it. So it would be like I'll have to create a class called API error, and then I will extend this class to from error, as simple as that. This is how I have to go ahead. There are gonna be some of the values. So public read only values are gonna be there, and what? First of all, there should be status code, and the type of it should be a number. I hope whatever I'm writing that's right. Okay, that's definitely gonna be right. By the way, public read only, the second value is gonna be message, that's gonna be type string, and then public read only, and I have status code, I have message, I should have errors. The type of is gonna be error type, something like this, or it's gonna be null, as simple as that. But this will have definitely some value, so it's gonna be only this much. As for this error type, I will have to create it. So let's go to types. Oh, we haven't even created that. Interesting. Types, then utilities, utils, inside types, and then I have to create API error dot types dot, not really API error, errors types. So error type dot error type. How can I name it? What should be the name of it? Errors we have, and that's gonna be type of error types dot ts. Let's keep it like this, or can be even better. No, that was quite better. Dot ts. This thing is done here, and then we'll be creating an interface for it. So interface is gonna be error type, something like this. I will be exporting this interface from here on to. So something like this, and once this thing is here, I will have two fields. First one is gonna be the field, FIELD field, and that's gonna be type of string. Having said that, this is gonna be optional. The second thing is gonna be message. Message is gonna be type of string as well. So this is how things are gonna be going ahead. As for this field, this is gonna be optional in here. So this thing is done in here. Talking about this error type, I will be simply errors is gonna be error type and the array of that. This thing is done. Then error type, after that we have public read only, success is gonna be boolean, something like that, and public read only we have stack, this is gonna be string. Okay, so this is how things are gonna be going ahead. All the values, anything optional in here, I don't really think I need to keep anything optional in here, and later I will think about it. I'm gonna need a constructor. So constructor, I will get status code, I will get message. How will I be actually entering the data? So first of all, status code, then the message, then the errors, if there are errors, then success, failed, and then stack. Will I get it? By the way, I don't even need to enter the stack. Success, that is optional. Something like this. This dot status code is equal to status code. This dot message equal to message. This dot what, errors, if they exist in that case, right? Errors is equal to errors. This dot success is equal to success, as simple as that. So this is how it's gonna be going on. What is the problem with this? Super must be called before accessing the other site. So I'll have to call super and I'll have to give it the message. So let's call super in here, and then message is gonna be provided. So this thing is done. Status code has any type, so it should be type number. Message, it should be type string. Well, I wanted to rebuild this, but one thing is clear, it's gonna take a lot of time. Error type, and that to an array of that, and success is gonna be boolean, something like this. Few things. First of all, success is gonna be optional, this error is gonna be optional, status code and message, they are gonna be okay, required. Stack I will not be getting, but I have a stack in here. Okay, so this status code is here. I'm gonna keep it really simple. Message, I've got the message. If there is no message, in that case I will be just simply providing it the string, empty string in errors, but I think message is gonna be there for sure. The errors that we have, so this dot errors is equal to errors that we are actually getting. What is the problem with this? Error type or undefined is not assignable to error type. Okay, this value can be undefined as well. That is the main problem. How about keeping it like this? So I will be getting the errors, and this dot success, it's also undefined. It can be undefined, and that is the main problem. So the thing we have to do in here, that if error exists, in that case I have to go ahead and or if errors, I've actually given errors from the backend side, then only this will happen. And if success exists, then this is gonna be a problematic thing. Okay, let's do one thing. Keep it like this. If errors exist, in that case I will be providing it errors, otherwise just an empty array. How about this? Okay, and this dot success, if success exists, okay, that's great, I will be providing it success. Otherwise, in the remaining case, I will be providing status code, and this is an error. That means status code should be greater than 400. That means status code should not be less than greater than equals to 299 399 400, greater than or equals to 400. How about this? This is an error. Okay, this dot success is going to be false. That means if the status code is 400, the success should be false, something like this. Status code is less than 400, that means this is gonna be true. If status code is greater than 400, that means it's gonna be false, as simple as that. Okay, pretty much good. So this thing we have got here. So the last thing, that is stack, I have to give it the value to, and how to do it. We have stack in here. If process.env node env, if it is not equals to production, okay, I can provide a stack in here too. Wow, constructor stack. This is also gonna be optional for sure, and this is gonna be string. So stack, in that case this dot stack is equal to stack. About this, if it exists, Okay, I'm missing something in here. There should be API error. If his tag exists, then else if error capture stack trace this and this constructor. It should be like if it stack actually exists, in that case this is gonna be like that. In else if section, if process.env.node env is not equals to production, if that's not equals to production, then I can capture this stack. So this dot stack no error capture stack, no, this dot error capture. How can I fix it? Error dot capture stack, it's like that. Error dot capture stack. Then the first thing is the target object, that's gonna be this, and then this is the target object. Constructor options, so this dot constructor, I will be providing constructor, as simple as that. So this thing is done. Ultimately I'm assigning the values. What is up with you? Stack has no initializer and is not definitely assigned in the constructor. Stack string, I'm assigning this stack in here too. What is the problem? Okay, stack. First of all, I'll make it optional. Even here it does not need to be here. If stack actually exists, in that case we are getting this thing done. Else if this thing is being done. So property stack has no initializer and is definitely not assigned in the constructor. It is assigned in the constructor, by the way. This dot stack is equal to stack, that we are getting the value, but this is optional, that means we will not get the value. Ultimately stack is gonna be optional, as simple as that. So this thing is done. We have created a constructor for it. What is remaining? Once we have the constructor, we can convert it to JSON format in a proper JSON format. So it's gonna be public to JSON, something like this. I will be returning it the value, and the first one is gonna be like status code. Status code is gonna be this dot status code. Success is gonna be this dot success. It takes a lot of time, seriously, but okay, success is done. Then we'll be getting message, this dot message. Then we'll have errors, this dot errors. Then we'll have stack, this dot stack. So these many things are done. How many things we are actually getting? 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be going on. Ultimately converting it to JSON and then simply returning it from here. And it's not the best code written, but it will work for now, and that is why we are okay with this. And as for making it the best code, even this is not bad actually. So we have created API class. We will be creating API response class. So this is gonna be class API response, something like that. It will have some of the values like public, status code, everything is gonna be the same kind of status code, and that's gonna be string. And having said that, it's gonna be read only, that means I should not be able to change that, something like this. Then public read only, we have message. Once we have the status code, after that we have message. Message is gonna be type string. Having said that, the status code is gonna be a number. Okay, that was error. This thing is done. Public read only, we have status code, we have message. What else is needed? We need to have data. Data is gonna be type of data. It's gonna be either T or it's gonna be undefined. Oh, unknown, something like this. As for T, I will be giving it a generic for in here, so that's gonna be generic is gonna be T, or by default it's gonna be unknown, something like this. So this is how it's gonna be going on. We have data in here. We have public read only success field, that's gonna be boolean. This is needed and I need to get it done anyhow. Let's play the song. Oh, can't really play the song, that's okay. Public read only, then after success we will have what? This much should be enough. Status code, message, data, success. Anything else not needed. Okay, done for now. Constructor status code is gonna be a number, and a message is gonna be string. Data, first of all, it's gonna be optional, and second thing, it's gonna be array of type T. Array of type T. Array of type T. Type T, which means the type of that, and that's gonna be the array. That's okay. This thing is done, and then we have success, and this is gonna be boolean. This is also gonna be optional in here. So this is optional, something like that. This dot status code is equal to status code. This dot message is equal to message. This dot data is equal to data if that's provided, that's okay. And this dot success is equal to success. Now this is optional. Data is also optional, but that can be unknown. That's the benefit that we have in here. Data can be either this or data can be null. Unknown, that is just the type. I'm not giving it any value. It can be either type of unknown or null. Okay, if data can be null, that's okay. I don't really have any problem with that. This success thing is causing the problem. Boolean or undefined, and for this thing, if success is present, then I will be providing success. Otherwise, success means status code should be less than 400. If that's less than 400, that means that's gonna be right. Success is gonna be true, otherwise success is gonna be false. So something like that. Easy peasy, take it easy. So this thing is done. And once I am done with this particular thing, okay, to JSON, taking time. I know it's taking time, a lot of time, but the thing is that things are getting repeated over and over in your mind, and this will be worth doing it. This dot status code return. What do I have to return? I have to return status code. No, I have to return first of all, yeah, status code, and that's gonna be this dot status code, something like this. The second one is gonna be success, and this is gonna be this dot success, then message, this dot message, and then data, this dot data. It's gonna be like this. Ultimately I'm converting it and returning it at the same time. So this thing is also done. So we have created three things: API error, API response, and async handler. And all these things are created. We have even created types for that. Okay, that's working fine. And in this async handler, we are having to write this much thing. So I can say request handler type, that can be, and that can be inside utilities. Wow, that means in here, that means after all, that is going to be a type. Yes, a request handler type, request handler dot types dot ts export interface, and this is gonna be a request handler type and that's gonna be a function. Request handler type is going to be a function, so it is a function that would return it. Well, the thing is that there should be type in that case, type export. So request handler function is a function that's getting these values. That means I need to just copy this whole thing from here, Control X, and then paste it in here. Ultimately I have created that. I can get these things by importing them. First thing is done, second thing is done, and third thing is done. So this is how we are going. I'm already exporting it from here. That means I can import it in here. So a request handler function, not this one, request handler type. So this is how it's gonna be going on. What is the problem in here? Request. Request handler type. This is the request handler type. That is a function that's simply returning void. Okay. Argument of type this is not assignable to type request type request. What can I do now? I can make it any and I won't get any problem. Yeah. Request handler type, I've done nothing, just this much, and simply telling it that it is a function. I can export it by the way from here on to export type is gonna be a request handler type. It should be like this, and I'm importing it over there. Something interesting over here that just keeps coming. This is the request, this is the response. I'm getting everything from there. Argument of type request parameters, whatever these things, is not assignable to parameter of type request. That is not assignable. Is it because of this request? Oh yeah, my bad. I have to import it from Express, and I have to import this thing too from Express, something like this. Then I should not be getting that error. That means it's working fine right now. So async handler is done. API response, serial response, we have created that. We are even working on the types too along the way. That's good thing. What is remaining now? Let's create a middleware, and that middleware would be like error handler middleware. We'll have to get the basic things done before we actually move to the business topic. So we have this app thing in here. It will at the end of the day catch the errors too, right? So there should be kind of an error handler type something, error handler middleware at least, to catch the errors and simply show the errors in the right way. That I don't have right now, of course. So I have to work on it, and then ultimately I'm exporting the app and just simply running the server. Okay. So let's create a middleware. That's gonna be error dot middleware dot ts export const error handler. Okay, we have the error handler thing. What all will it get? First of all, it will be inside async handler. Do I need to have inside async try catch block? Error handler, what will even do by being in there? Nothing. It will not do anything. Try catch. If error handler throws any error, where who will catch the error? Error handler is meant to be catching the errors only. So let's do something like this. request, response. Next we'll have even not only this much, we'll have error, we'll have request, we'll have next response, we'll have next, these many things inside this error handler function. And this is gonna be of course a middleware. This thing is done. First of all, we'll be getting the error. So error callback constructor event, what is the type of it gonna be? Okay, error type. The error that we are getting, that can be either type of error or that can be either type of API error. The thing is that I'm not exporting the API error, so let's export it from here on. Export default API error. This thing is done. Even you have to export this. Export default API response. Done. Okay, seems to be working. Done. In here it could be either of these types. That's okay. We have request in here. This request is gonna be type request from express. We have response in here. This response will have type response from express itself. And last but not the least, next in that is gonna be next function from express itself, something like that. Okay, now what do we need to have inside it? At the end of the day, we need to have success. We gotta have everything. Const error will have this thing. If that is an API error, that we already have the values that we need. If that is just simply error, then we need to be worried about that. And since we are using mongoose, that can be mongoose error as well. So what is the most important thing right now? We will have these two things. Const status code is gonna be 500 by default. Const message is gonna be something went wrong. This is gonna be by default. So we have status, we have this const errors, that's gonna be null by default. This is the by default value. Okay, and last but not the least, const stack, it's gonna be an empty string by default. Insane. And const success, this will have as error handler, this will have if success exists, it will be false by default. Insane. These many things we are getting done in here. The good thing is that if that is an API error, that will already have these values. If that is not an API error, then that should get these values from here on. So we have these many values in here. And if let's start changing the things, if error that we are getting instance of mongoose dot validation error, okay, let's keep it simple this time. Okay, I don't even know how to get the mongoose instance of mongoose error. This is the first section. If error instance of validation, not really, cast, not really, mongoose dot cast error, not really. Well, if that is a mongoose error, then I will get this thing done here. Otherwise, even I'm gonna be keeping it simple. Doesn't matter what kind of error that is. Either these values if error instance of API error, and this is false. If error is not, okay, something like this. If error is not an instance of API error, then I will be getting this thing done, and if that is already an instance of API error, I'll be simply returning it from here on. So it would be like return response dot status. Would be status code that we have, status code, and then JSON format, and then providing the error. Okay, this is something that we got in here. And if it is not an instance of API error, then error is equal to new API error. I'm quite good at it. Yeah, status code is gonna be status code, and message is gonna be message, and errors are gonna be errors. What else? Stack is gonna be stack. Not really. Then I will have success. Success is gonna be success, and stack is gonna be stack if that's any way available. Okay. The problem is here. Errors simply has any this type. Errors has this type by default. Okay, so let's give it a error type. I'm bad at typing. Is that so? Or my hands are numb? Error type. Why am I not getting it? This is the type that I have created. This is the error type, and I should be getting it in here. I said I should be getting it. Okay, error type. This is gonna, man, too much. Should give it a type just. Okay, this is gonna be type of number. This is gonna be type of string. This is gonna be type of boolean, giving the default value, of course. This is gonna be type of string. Any problem? No problem. And then simply returning error from here. Error means it is the API error. That means I'm done. I don't need to do anything. Wow, I'm able to do this much without the help of AI. That's praiseworthy thing, actually. What is remaining? What next? We are done with this. Let's close everything. So inside this app.ts, we have this error handler right now that we have created. I hope it's gonna work fine. Just hope that. So it's time to run the server and see whether the things are working as expected or not. I'm stuck. Okay. So npm run dev, and there is one more thing. Okay, server is running, and we'll have to make some of the changes. Like the first change is gonna be in this here. New API response. It will have the status push 200. It will have the message server is up and running. It will have data unknown. Data is going to be unknown. Okay. Let's not give any data at all. This is gonna be enough for now. I'm not even providing any data. By the way, data is optional by default. Yeah, the type is unknown right now. That's okay. Okay, one thing is clear. It's gonna take tons of time. This is better. npm run dev. This thing is done. Let's simply send the request. Status quo success message. Here we can provide the data, and then it will have a field called message. Let's see, provide message again, and that's gonna be okay. What is the problem with this? Data type can be unknown. Made a mistake. Let's go to this in here. Data type can be this, so why am I providing this? That's my bad. This type, or it can be null. That's okay. That means I should not be getting this here. Okay, that means the type is like this right now. I can provide the type of it too. So let's do it. Like we are in utils, we are in types, and then we have to create a controllers in here, and then we have to create health check types, health check response dot types dot ts, export interface, then health check response, something like this, and the response will have it will have message, and then message will be type string, as simple as that. And when it comes to this thing in here, okay, health check response. Well, guess what? The thing is that I'm even tired of speaking, so I will be turning the sound off this time, and the music will be played in the background.
See the horizon. recognize my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
That's good. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun. Go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow
thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes
Alright everybody, that should be it. By the way, our main goal is to simply recreate this application without taking the help of AI. Okay, ultimately recreating something on your own, so that actually things get saved in your mind. Ultimately, it doesn't matter whether you you know the rules and all, and you can understand the code, until unless the code is a muscle memory of your mind. So you will have to code as much as so that it actually becomes your muscle memory, and until unless it is actually muscle memory, you won't be able to actually get the things accomplished really quickly, even if there's an AI. Okay, so there's no loss in doing that, and that is why I was doing that. But the thing is that it's gonna take time. Okay, we have to get many things done. Overall, the good thing is that today we got the overall structure ready. Okay, we have got the controllers ready, error middleware. Controllers are also ready, models ready, and validators, we have also worked on that. So we have got quite a lot done today. After this, I will have to move to another project. Of course, I cannot keep making it. So on a daily basis, it would be like from morning to 12 o'clock around something. I'm busy doing the project stuff where I am actually trying to create something or the other, and in the remaining time I will focus on learning stuff and all. So this is how it's gonna be going ahead. By the way, that was it in this live mainly. Now I'll be back around after 1 hour or something, and then I will be focusing on the turbo repo and mono repo thing. I had to get that done yesterday, and I got that done too. That's not a big problem, by the way. So this is how things are gonna be going ahead. Gonna be really exciting. Sometimes it gets a bit boring because you have to do the same thing over and over, because you want to make that your muscle memory. But even it's worth it. We'll do all our best and get this thing done. Okay, just by knowing nothing is gonna happen until unless there is actually a muscle memory, and you can do that without too much thinking. Then that's what I want actually. Alright, that was it. These are the controllers that I created, and of course I need to work on them, write the content in them. The business logic, I hope it's not gonna take lots of time, but around 2 to 3 hours and it will be done. Okay, that was it for now. Now I'm gonna be catching up soon. Take care, bye bye, and have a great day ahead. Take a bath. I'm asking you to take a bath because I haven't taken